Hey y'all, here's a quick tip. I seasoned these. I've got garlic and onion underneath the skin, but I seasoned these. I'm even seasoning the bone because I'm going to eat that bone instead of using it for stock. But I left it in the refrigerator overnight uncovered so that it could dry the skin out a little bit so I can get some crispy skin. But the tip is that when you do that, you see all of the, from the salt that's on the meat, all of the excess fluid that's coming off the meat. Don't cook it on this sheet pan and rack. Put it on a fresh sheet pan and rack and actually let it sit out about 10 to 15 minutes before you put it in the oven, okay? Okay, don't put cold meat immediately in the oven. Think about how you feel when you are freezing outside and you walk into a house immediately, how it's almost like shocks you. Don't do that. Let the meat just kind of get to, it doesn't have to get to room temperature, but just get a little of the coldness off of it, about 10-15 minutes, and then put it in the oven. All right, I'm a little hoarse today. That's the tip that I got for y'all today. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I'm Val Taylor, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye now.